Whether you're doing it because you want to drive expensive cars, or you're doing it because you want to create generational wealth, or you simply want to retire your family and take care of them, money is on our mind in our 20s. That's a fact, and all kinds of different surveys are confirming that. But before we get all this money, we need to fix our mindset. And fixing it consists of 3 different elements. First, we need to stop looking for the quick and easy approach. I have said a story before about Hercules, and I'm going to repeat it again because it's very important to understand why we need to go for the hardship rather than the quick and easy way. Hercules went on his path and on his journey to decide what kind of life he wants. At some point he reaches a crossroad. On one side of the crossroads he has the goddess of vice, and the other side he has the goddess of virtue, both of them offering him a different kind of life. The goddess of vice on one side was telling him that he can have everything, he will have a very easy life, and he will be able to achieve a lot with just simply no kind of hesitation, no kind of hard work, and no kinds of challenges in his life. That was her offer. On the other side was the goddess of virtue. She was actually telling him that if he wants to do anything with his life, if he wants to accomplish stuff, he needs to work hard for it. There will be challenges, there will be many kinds of times where he wants to give up, but this is what will make him an actual god in the end. Of course, we all know how this ends up going. Hercules chooses the goddess of virtue, listening to her, and he goes in that kind of direction. And we all need to do the same kind of choice every day, picking virtue instead of vice. Now let's jump to the real world. Right now, what are we seeing? We're seeing all kinds of different people selling their online courses, and they have a great success with that because they're trying to sell to the people that when they get their online course, they'll have a quick and easy approach to getting to 10k monthly income or getting to a millionaire in a short amount of time. But what happens is that only the people who are selling these courses are getting richer and richer. On the other side, the people who did sign up for the course, they really think it will be easy to get to that 10k monthly income, and they don't give any kind of effort. They simply lay back, they see what's up on the course, they try to apply it, they see that it doesn't work, and then they think that they have failed and they never try again. And this cycle continues again and again. Even if you did find a way that is easy and it's quick to become a millionaire, would you be proud of it? Would you really go and say, wow, I made it, and you feel like you have learned a lot of stuff and you feel that you have went through a lot of challenges? Would you really value your success if it was in such a quick and easy way? I don't think so. Now the second element is about ignoring all the different people, all the different successes that we see out there on social media. You're not the next Iman Gaji, you're not the next Mark Zuckerberg, you're not the next Elon Musk. You are yourself. We need to only look at other people as an example. We should never be copy-pasting them, because if everyone is copy-pasting them, how do you think that we'll be able to achieve the success that they have achieved? They have done it through their creativity, through their kind of way, through their kinds of challenges and opportunities, which would never be able to be replicated in the real world right now. So we need to figure our own way to achieving the same success, or to achieve even higher success than them. And how would that work out? Well, we need to focus on what we are good at. We all have our good sides, we all have our bad sides, and we need to identify what the good sides are for us and go in that direction. There is no need for us to try to force something when we are actually very good at something else which can bring us the same amount of value, the same amount of money that anything else would bring us. So focus on what you're good at, focus on what you know that you'll be able to bring a lot of value to, and that's how you can be successful. Now, before we jump into the third and most important element, Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This helps me understand if you like this content and if I should continue doing it. Thank you. So the third element is to understand delayed gratification. We should not think that the moment we become a little bit more richer, we should start spending all this money on all these different assets. Go out there, buy a new car, buy a new watch, go out there to all the nice restaurants that we have been dreaming about. Why do we have to do that immediately? Why can't we wait a little bit and use all this quick money that we have got right now to actually reinvest and get to even higher levels than we are right now? We should not only think about the rewards that we will get from our hard work, but we should also be thinking ahead. We should be thinking long term. Especially if we are in our 20s, we need to think about long term. Even if we do make it and we become millionaires at 25, we still have a long way ahead of us. And we don't have to spend everything that we earn right now. We have to be strategic and tactical about our money spending. Investment at an early age is a lot more important than investment at a later age. Work on these three elements and then go becoming a millionaire. And who am I to say all of this? Well, recently I have been able to work on all these three elements for myself, and now that my mind is a lot clearer, I know that I can go full force at this goal. Do you want to join the journey of achieving goals in our 20s?